Welcome to my little creative corner of the internet. Or welcome back to all my fellow creative friends. Today it's time for another altered book challenge episode. Lately I am extremely busy with work and everything else going on in my life, but I'm trying to keep up with my own art and my creative practice by keeping my own expectations for my free time art very low, but keeping myself accountable to create something just for the sake of creating and not focus too much on the outcome and the result of my creative process in those specific sessions. Here, working in my altered book sketchbook did help a bit. This is just a random vintage book I got from a bookshelf in summer. I did start this series a while back. I will leave a link to all the altered book session videos in the description down below. So, like I said, the altered book did help a bit to avoid the fear of the blank page and the crazy idea of ruining a perfect little sketchbook with one messed up page. So this is why I come back to this book for my fast and not result-focused art practice in busy times. But I realized lately that keeping up with my own creative practice beside the normal everyday creative workload I have for my job is very, very important for myself. Even though it might sound a bit counterintuitive to create more when being creative is the thing that causes you so much work for yourself at the moment, I have made the experience that I need my own free creative exploration, free from the pressure of how the art turns out and the result between my creative sessions for work and more results-focused creative projects. Also, creating those little videos here on my YouTube channel is another part of my creative me-time practice. And it really helps me to keep up with my own free creativity and creative practice just for the fun of it. So thanks so much for being here on my creative journey with me and watching all my silly little art and creative process videos. Take this video as a little reminder to allow yourself some pressure-free creation time and just create art or just create something, even just some silly little doodles just for yourself. Not everything we do in life has to be productive and bring us a super amazing result. Just get out your sketchbook or a random piece of paper and create something along with me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.